Okay, after 1969, in 1970, what happened? 1970, 1970, Himachal Pradesh was upgraded into the state category. So it got the statehood. So I am writing it is the state category, Himachal Pradesh. I am removing Himachal Pradesh from the list of the Union Territory. Okay. In 1971, just after 1970, just after 1 year, what happened? Just after 1 year, 1970, in 1971, Parliament passed a bill, that is the Northeastern Areas Reorganization State Act, 1971. What happened? Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya, these three states were upgraded into the state category. So I am just writing Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya. In the category of state. Also, I have removed Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya from the Union Territory list in 1971. Also, Mizoram Parliament formed two new Union Territories, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. So I am writing here. Actually, the numbers we need to check the numbers. Suppose Delhi is 1, Andaman Nicobar Island 2, Lakshadweep 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 Arunachal Pradesh and 9 Mizoram. 1971. I am coming to 1973. 1973. What happened? 1973. In 1973, Lakshadweep renamed as Lakshadweep and Madras renamed as Tamil Nadu. So it was renamed, Lakshadweep was renamed as Lakshadweep. Follow the spelling. It is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep and Madras, it was, the name was changed into Tamil Nadu. 1975, very important year. Very important year. Why? Because in 1974, Sikkim was admitted into the political arena of India as an associate state. Earlier, there was no provision of associate state in the Indian Constitution, but Sikkim was admitted as Indian Association as an associate state by the 35th Amendment Act 1974, and also an article for Sikkim, that is Article 2A. Article 2A was inserted in the Indian Constitution, but after that 1975, when Sikkim was upgraded to a full-fledged state, the article was repealed. In 1975, so Sikkim was admitted as a new state. So Sikkim became the 22nd state. (1975). After 11 years, So we need to add 11 years after 1975, that is 1986. What happened? Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram both were upgraded into the state category, and also Goa in 1987 admitted into the state category. So we had 25 states. I am just removing Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram and also Goa from the list of the Union Territories. In 2000, when BJP was in the government, in 2000, during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government, three significant dates we need to remember: 1st November, 9th November, and 15th November. On 1st November 2000, a new state, Chhattisgarh, was formed by stripping some areas from Madhya Pradesh. On 9th of November, just after 8 days, Uttaranchal, a new state Uttaranchal, was formed from Uttar Pradesh, and also on 15th of November, a new state Jharkhand was formed from Bihar. So respectively we had 3 acts: Madhya Pradesh State Reorganization Act 2000, Uttar Pradesh State Reorganization Act 2000, and Bihar Reorganization Act 2000. So I am just writing chronologically: Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal, and Jharkhand. So in 2000 we had 28 states and 7 union territories. What happened after 2000? 2007. The name of Uttaranchal changed to Uttarakhand. The name of Pondicherry was changed to Puducherry. 2010. The name of Odisha changed to Odisha. 2014, 2nd June, very important date. What happened? A new state, Telangana, was formed by virtue of the act, Andhra Pradesh State Reorganization Act. So we got 29 states, that is Telangana. On 2nd June 2014, we got a new state, Telangana, from Andhra Pradesh in 2014. And in 2019, what happened? BJP government just scrapped Article 370 and Jammu Kashmir became Union Territory. 31st October 2019 is a very significant day in the political sphere because Jammu and Kashmir became Union Territories and we got another Union Territory, that is Ladakh. Srinagar became the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu became the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. And for Ladakh, we got Leh as its new capital. So we need to write Jammu and Kashmir in the category of Union Territories and Ladakh in the category of Union Territories. 2019. So we had in 2019 28 states and 9 Union Territories, but in 2020, at the very beginning of the year, on 26 January, Parliament merged Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli and a single capital, that is Daman. So now there are not Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli are not two separate Union Territories, rather these two Union Territories got into a single Union territory is known as Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and it had one single capital, that is Daman. So now we had 28 states and 8 union territories. This is the end of this chapter. Hope you will understand, you will enjoy.